Okay, so continuing our discussion. Okay, so putol-putulan natin pag-record kasi dire na si send sa messenger pag duro-diretso. Kaya in every 10 minutes i-kakata ang video then mag-upload na laaksan continuation. Okay, so we are done with the table, yung basic differentiate, yung tabulation ng difference between three common types of braking system, yung mechanical, yung hydraulic, and the pneumatic brakes. Okay, so let us now dive deeper sa kung ano yung tinatawag na mechanical braking system. Okay, so by definition, a mechanical brake system is one of the earliest and simplest types of braking systems used in vehicles and various machinery. Instead of relying on fluids or air pressure, it uses a direct mechanical linkage to transmit the force from the driver's input, usually by using a pedal or a lever, to the friction elements that slow down or stop the rotating parts, like wheels or shafts. Okay, so tingnan natin yung picture. I hope na sayon. Okay, so this is an example of a mechanical brake na ginagamit natin in modern cars. Yung ating handbrake system. Okay, so yung handbrake system natin is hindi siya kasali dun sa foot control ng brakes or brake pedal natin. Meron siyang sariling trigger and the presence of this, yung tinatawag na handbrake. Usually located to sa driver side. Tsaka sa mga older models dati, minsan nasa ilalim ng dash. Parang meron pa rin yan ngayon. Pero yung usual na nakikita nyo or usual na makikita nyo is nasa driver side ang handbrake. Okay, si handbrake kasi nga mechanical brake. It's an example of mechanical type brake. It is connected through a primary cable. Okay, so cable, kaya nga mechanical kasi nagfa-function siya through mechanism. Okay, so meron siyang cable. Here, meron siyang adjuster nut. Ewan ko kung nababasa nyo. Medyo malabo kasi. Then, next is the lock nut. Then, next is the equalizer. What's this? Hindi na mabasa. Kasi search na lang nyo. Search nyo na lang. Equalizer. Parang ano siya. Okay, so search na lang natin mamaya. Okay, then next is the Lewis pin. Okay, so makikita nyo yung basic principle niya dyan is si handbrake connected through a cable. Yung cable is divided dito sa part na to. Nahahati siya or nadi-divide into two. Kasi dalawang preno yung i-operate niya. Okay, so ganyan. Then yung involved sa is yung return springs, yung drum brake, yung adjuster bracket. Okay. So yan yung sa handbrake system. One of the example of mechanical braking system. Okay, next naman is ito, usual na nakikita natin sa mga motor. Diba? As per definition, A mechanical brake is a braking system, a type of braking system that uses mechanism or connected mechanical parts to operate. Okay, so nakikita nyo, nandito 'di ba yung brake rod niya, ito yung spring, okay, then yung brake lever. Then sa loob ng shaft na to is our brake shoe. Nandito siya, located sa loob. And this is our brake drum. Embedded na siya sa wheels. Okay, so discuss pa natin. Sa brake pedal or sa lever, ito yung, for example dito, di ba? Tapos yung kadugtong nito is yung brake pedal. Okay, so may pause lang saglit. Okay, so brake pedal or lever, siya yung input mechanism. Okay, pag nag-apply ka ng force sa dalawang yan, mag-i-initiate siya ng braking action. Si handbrake, you will pull. Si pedal naman, dito, apakan mo to initiate the braking action. Okay, the next is the mechanical linkages na tinatawag. Kaya nga siya tinawag na mechanical brakes kasi meron siyang mechanical linkages. So, usual na makikita natin is rods. Example ng rod ito. This one. Next is levers. Levers ito. Lever yan. This one, yung handbrake, lever. Cables. For example, ito. Yan. Cables yan. Springs. Yes. Ito, may spring dito. Dito, may spring. Saan ba? May spring dito kanina. Okay, andito. Return spring. Then, equalizer. Okay, so equalizer pala ang tawag dito. Hindi ko lang equalizer take. Okay, these are used in systems affecting wheels. Okay, so ang gamit ng equalizer is kung ang mechanical brake natin is operating 2 or more wheels. Meron siyang equalizer para ma-divide yung braking force na ina-apply natin para merong equal distribution sa lahat ng wheels na involved. Okay, so I think cut muna natin kasi 7 minutes na. We will continue sa next sa hydraulic braking system naman.